Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your computer class. I, Anchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your computer class. Okay. So class, in the last session, as you all know, that we were doing the question answers of chapter number 9. So in the today's session, I am going to continue with the same. So the chapter was chapter number 9, that was internet. Okay. So we are beginning with the question answers. So the question number, yesterday we have discussed up to question number 1. So let's begin with the question number 2. So the question number 2 is, what is search engine? What is it used for? So yesterday we have done the A part of question number 2, that what is a search engine? So search engine is a program that searches through the collection of web pages for a particular information. So I'll write the complete answer one more time. Okay. So let's write down the answer number 2. Search engine is a program. Search engine is a program that searches search engine is a program that searches through the collection of web pages through the collection of web pages for a particular information, for a particular information. Okay. So this was the answer for the question A part, that is what is a search engine. The second question was, what is it used for? So it is used for getting the information on any topic. Okay. So suppose if you don't have any URL, so we can get any information. It is used for getting the information if we don't have the URL as well, or you can write, it allows us to, it is used for searching the information without even without the URL also. Okay. It is also written, it allows users to enter any keywords for which it is displays a list of websites. Okay, so it is allowed. So what is it used for? It is used for searching the information if we don't know the in spite of, or if you don't know the URL of that of that also. Okay. Okay, let's write down. We can. Okay, you can write, it is used for searching. It is used for searching information. It is used for searching information on any topic without its URL. It is used for searching information on any topic even without its URL. Okay, so we can get information, or we can write, we can get information in any topic even we don't know the URL. Okay, so this is the answer for the question number 2. So what is the search engine? So it is a program that is searches through the collection of web pages for a particular information, and what it is used for? It is used for searching information on any topic even without its URL. So this is the answer number 2. So you can pause it here and note it down in your notebook. Moving next to the question number 3, that is, what is ISP? That is Internet Service Provider. So ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. Okay, is a company that provides access to the internet for a monthly fee. Okay, so write down the answer for the question number 3. So what is ISP? So the full form of ISP is Internet Service Provider. Okay, C1 is ISP within bracket Internet Service Provider. Okay, is a company that is a company that provides access to the internet, provides access to the internet, for a monthly fee, a monthly fee. Some main ISPs are like BSNL, MTNL, Airtel. Okay, or we can write, okay, certain MTNL, okay, Tata Indicom. Tata Indicom is not in use right now, so we will not mention it. Okay, Jio Fiber, etc. So these are the name of some of the ISPs that are common in use for these nowadays. Okay, so these are Internet Service Provider is a company that provides access to the internet for a monthly fee. Some main ISPs are BSNL, MTNL, Airtel, Jio Fiber, etc. Okay, so this is the answer for the question number C. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Moving next to the question number D. The question number D is, what is a web browser? Write the names of any two widely used web browsers. Now we need to mention that what are web browsers. So what is a web browser? Okay, so web browser is a software program that allows us to browse the internet and to open different websites. Okay. Answer number D. What are web browsers? So write down. Web browser is a software program. Web browser is a software. Web browser is a software program. Web browser is a software program that allows you to browse the internet, browse the internet and to open different websites Okay, so the examples are, okay, so they have asked that about to mention only two widely used web browser. So we need to mention, so we can write down Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. For example, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, etc. Okay, don't forget to mention the etc. So Mozilla Firefox and Google Chrome, these are the two widely used web browsers. So this is the answer for the question number D. Okay, so you can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Moving next to the question number E. What is the use of address bar? So there are certain bars. Okay, so we need to mention the what is the use of address bar. So address bar is used to type the URL, that is the address of the web page that we want to visit. So this is a very simple question. So the answer for the question number E, the question was, what is the use of address bar? So let's mention the answer. So the address bar is used to type the address bar is used to type, the address bar is used to type the URL. URL means the web address. Type the URL, to type the URL of a web page, of a web page that we want to visit. Okay, so this is the answer for the question number E. So what is an address bar? So address bar is the address bar is used to type the URL, that is the web address of a web page that we want to visit. Okay, so this is the answer for the question number E. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay, so this is the answer for question number D and E. So I'll just repeat it. So what is web browser? So web browser is a software program that allows you to browse the internet and to open different websites. So the different types of web browsers are Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. The next is, what is an address bar? So the address bar is used to type the URL of a web page that we want to visit. Okay. Moving next to the question number F. We are moving to the next question, that is question number F. Answer for the question number F is, what is a home page? So the next question is, what is a home page? So home page is the first page that appears when we open any website. Okay, so the starting page of a website of a browser. Okay, so the starting page of a browser is called the home page. So this is a quite very simple answer for the question number F. So let's write it down. What is the home page? Question number F. What is a home page? So the answer for the question number F is, the starting page of a browser, the starting page of a browser. The starting page of a browser is called the home page. Okay. So what is a home page? The starting page of a browser is known as its home page. Okay. Moving next to the question number G. Write the full form of URL. Write the full form of URL. That is the question number G. Write the full form of URL. What? Okay. So it can come as an abbreviation as well. Okay. So abbreviations can be asked. Just make sure that you all revise the abbreviations from your all the chapters that is given in the book. So what is the full form of URL? So the answer number G is the full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator. LOCATOR. That is the full form of URL. So what is the full form of URL? That is Uniform Resource Locator. Okay. So with this we have completed the question answers of the chapter number 9, and with this we have finished with the syllabus of computer as well. So this was the last chapter that we were discussing. Okay, so let's I'm just going to repeat the question and the answer for the question number F and G. So the question number F is, what is a home page? So as we have discussed earlier, so what is a home page? So that is the front page or the main page when we open a browser. So it can be any browser, whether it's a Google Chrome or it's Mozilla Firefox. So when we open any browser, so the first page that appears on the screen is known as a browser. Okay, so it is written the starting page of a browser is called the home page. Moving next to the question number G, write the full form of URL. Okay, so the full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator. So this is okay. So this is you can say this is a unique web address of a particular web page. Okay, so that we use for if you want to search any information. For that you need to, okay, so if you know the URL of any website or any web page, so you can mention it and you will be instantly redirected to that particular page. Okay, so this is the question number F and G. Next we are having the application based question here. Today Ansh has got a home assignment in which he has been asked to make a project on the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. How can he collect information about the topic on the internet? He does not know how to search the information on the internet. Help him to do so. So for this is an application based question. So here a condition and a situation is given and we need to give the answer. So just similar to this, some questions will be asked in your examinations as well. So you have to answer these questions. So this question, that is application based question, that we will discuss in the next session. Okay. So this is from my today's session class. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you I'll see you again in the next session. So till then everybody, have a great day and stay safe.